Perdón. Me encanta tu look. Estoy grabando un video sacando fotos a gente en la calle.
¿Ah, sí?
¿Te puedo sacar una foto?
Claro.
¿Sí?
Sí.
Guay.
Estoy un poco con prisa. Me alegra.
¿De dónde eres?
¿Dónde? De
Sí.
Alemania. So I just walk.
Yeah, I will get it from that end,
Okay.
and we'll do like backlit, so the
Okay.
sun will be behind you.
Sure.
But we'll get some from here, like on the street.
All right.
Do you live here?
I do, but like my work is right there. I'm gonna be like.
Oh, you're
for
like on the way to work?
Yeah. But it's okay.
They're gonna be
Chill.
worth it. They're gonna be worth it.
I'm
yeah.
sure.
Okay.
The light is amazing.
So nice. I love November. It's like, okay, we're good.
Yeah.
Oh, amazing. Yes. Oh, just here when the bus goes past. Just say that. Yes, love them. Okay,
Nice.
they look so good.
Nice.
I'll let you go so I don't check these out.
Nice. Ooh, I love them. Nice. They're super
And
nice.
there are some, like, look at these standing.
Oh. I love them. Wow. Ooh, nice. Super nice to meet
Yes,
you.
what's your name?
Patricia.
Patricia, of course.
What's your name?
Brad.
Brad.
Okay,
You told me.
have a good
Sorry.
day.
Thanks, you too.
And I'll send you the pictures.
Yeah.
Hey, sorry. Hey, I do pictures of strangers. I like saw you from there, and I was like, you look so cool.
It's from the reels in after.
Yes. So I was gonna see
Really?
if, yeah, for YouTube. So I was gonna see if you wanted a picture, like here.
Like here, not
Or
here.
no, not by, not by this.
Yeah.
What would just be like in here,
In
if
here,
you want.
yeah,
Yeah,
sure.
because like when the cars stop, honestly, they look so
Yeah.
cool. Guys, look at her hair. That is so cool. Such a vibe.
Be somewhere around.
So what we'll do when the cars stop, we'll like
Yeah.
get in the middle of the cars,
Mhm.
and then just give me some
Emotions.
give me some emotions, some poses. Yeah. And now it's like perfect light as well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like,
So nice. Where are you from?
I'm from Russia.
Okay, so на русском говоришь. Я
Да.
тоже говорю на
Да,
русском. Yeah.
класс.
So можем на русском. We're running, guys. Oh yeah, stay there. Oh, love it. Stay there, story, class. Yes, perfect. Stay there. Okay, let's get back in there. Okay, yes, just in here.
Okay, sit down.
Yeah. Yeah, perfect.
Wow.
They look cool, no?
Wow. I love it. No. Ooh,
They look
so
sick,
cool.
no?
Yes. Oh, this one is very nice.
This one?
I like it. Yes. Super. Wow, that is dope.
So cool, no?
See. Amazing.
Oh, they look sick too.
So crazy.
Is your friend here already?
Yeah, 1 second, I need to answer.
Yeah.
Вот где
Вот.
ты стоишь, только налево.
Вот сюда, да, яма.
Смотри, где мы тогда стоять, тебе нужно вправо. Прямо только.
I see across the room, X marked on the spot, everybody tryna zoom. This is casual, another night with the wolves, but I should be dealing with them, she's a damn professional.
Okay, bro.
Making plays for, don't need to be told, yeah she knows, got these fellas down.
Oh,
bad.
this is
They look
nice.
so cool, no?
Yeah. Yeah, good.
Привет, Brad. Say it. Yeah. Look, guys, we have a team now. We have a team. Команда. Команда. Oh yeah, like this. Just stay there. Perfect. Okay. Yes. Камеру. Yep. Turn around. Yes, and there. Turn this way. Other way. Yeah, like this. Now в камеру. Oh, come. Okay, yes, good. Look at the camera. Oh, say it, perfect. Yes, leaning like that. Amazing. Looking a bit this way up here. Say it, stop.
I like
What's
this.
that? Look at this one. This.
Very cool.
Yes. That looks good. That looks cool. Yeah. Aha, stój, class. Okay, got him. Okay, пока. Очень приятно. Two фотки. Okay, пока. Hey, excuse me. So I'm doing pictures of strangers and I love your look, so I was gonna ask if you wanted a portrait.
Yes, but I don't
Yeah?
know how to pose.
I'll tell you, I'll show you.
Okay.
Where are you from?
Greece.
Okay, nice. Actually, first person from Greece on the channel.
Really?
Yes, almost say that.
Yeah, I like
See?
them actually.
You wanna try one more like where there's a bit more light?
Yeah.
With some backlit, usually looks cool. I feel like right in there where the light is. Where are you from in Greece? One of the islands?
Athens.
Oh, from the... I still haven't been there, but I really want to go.
Oh my god.
This
It's
year,
the
this
best.
year.
Go eat.
You want me to hold these?
If you want, it's a
See?
bit heavy.
No, it's fine. It's
It's
like
fine?
the gym, yeah. Oh yeah, perfect. See it? Yeah, super nice. One more like looking up here again. Yeah. Looking towards the camera. Awesome. Yeah, see that? And maybe we can do one come a little bit more towards me. And then you want to get one like side on?
Should I take off my coat?
Yeah, we'll get like a mix. Yeah. Or but this one just hide it, or even under your hair, like something like this. Perfect, like that. Awesome, love that. Super nice. This is a great spot. See, these look dope, no?
Yes.
The light is like...
Oh my god.
I love them. No? Let me get a few more in this part.
All your stuff away and check out for the day. There's no time to waste when it's 100 degrees. Burns under my
Yes,
feet.
perfect, just there.
Won't you have a drink with me?
Do you want to make one more again looking up? Yeah, super nice. Awesome, yes, nice. Yeah, back in the camera. Yeah, say that. Oh, that's really nice. Do that again. Like look up and then look back down again, how you did. Yeah.
We head into town, see what it's about. Barely need a shirt, though the sun has almost set. Make the most of it. I know we will dance.
Yeah, say that. Awesome. Okay, we have some amazing shots for
Yes.
sure.
Oh my god, I love this
Amazing.
one.
What are we feeling? How?
I love it. I love it. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Feeling them.
How can you send me this? Oh my god.
I honestly
Oh my
love
god.
these.
Oh my god.
You could seriously be a model, like 100%. Check these out.